How's it going today? Today, I don't have a whole lot going on. I'm gonna check out NicePBT Noel, which I have right here. It sold out pretty quick, so I'm glad I got in on this when it was available. Why would I put that much effort into something that, like, is not that great? I don't like Thera plateless feel, but my Hex 4B plateless feels pretty good. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I feel like the Thera just like does not have normal conventions for anything. I don't know. Like, I would think that removing all the foam would be great on the Thera, but it really is not. I feel like it needs the firmness. It's just too flexible. You're just typing on Jello basically. But sorry, I'm talking a little loud. But basically adding all the foam and stuff, it gives it a little stiffness that it kind of needs, and it makes it a good, like, firm feel. What is wave gain lock? Let's see here. Automatically adjust your wave device's gain, enable wave gain lock. Still okay. Yeah, I just want to make sure this is an acceptable volume. Here you go. I used 3x case foam, 1 PE foam, 1 PCB foam, and I still don't like the feeling of typing. Have you tried the pen use on something else? Do you know if it's like the switch you don't like, or if it's the keyboard? Because I actually don't mind typing on the Thera now. It feels fine, but I can't. I have to pay to desolder again, and it's expensive. Well, I mean, oh, you only have one. Okay, yeah, I figured. I was like, maybe you had some extra. If you have any extra pen use, maybe try putting that in something else and just clicking around with it. See if you like the way it feels. Anyway, here's a NicePBT Noel, the box. Yeah. Let's see if it'll focus. Seems to not want to do that. Excuse me, why are you not autofocusing? Anyway, yeah. It's a pretty nice looking set, I feel like, or a nice looking box. Pretty cute. What I'm probably gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna put it on here, just for now. And I was thinking of putting this on the Space 80, but I'm not really sure it kind of fits. I got E white. I don't know. I might change my mind later. We'll see. But for now, I just kind of want to see what the set looks like. I'll take these out. I might put these on the Thera, actually, but we'll see. Let me get the box. E-White fits Noel? Oh, well, now I feel like I shouldn't put it on something, but I do want to see what Noel looks like. So I'm still gonna put it on here. Actually, what should I put Noel on? Yeah, I'm gonna put it on here. Why not? I'll put it on here. Otherwise, my suit is using GMK Noel. Oh shoot, you got a Mr. Suit? That's nice. I thought about getting a Mr. Suit. I was like, eh. I feel like it's all got that like PE foam sound, you know? And I was like, do I want another board like that? I feel like I can predict what it's gonna sound like. Not to shoot down any, like, if you enjoy it, you enjoy it, you know? Like, there's nothing wrong with that. I just wanted something a little different. So let's take this out and see what we got going. I might actually put these on the E-White Space 80 because I feel like this would look also really, really nice on E-White. Like it's just a very satisfying purple and white, you know? Dang, you got GMK Noel? Yeah, you got all the good stuff right there. I'm jealous. I wish I joined this hobby early enough to kind of get all the good stuff. Sad. Yeah, I missed out on Striker. I missed out on all the first rounds for like Botanical and like. You know what? Perestroika is actually one of my favorite sets, and I'm really sad I'm never gonna get the chance to buy now. GMK Darling, like, oh man, we missed out on a legendary key set. I got way too many keycap sets now. I feel like I ordered a Bolsa Supply has the white on black hiragana, and I went in on that A stock because I just like white on black, and I like hiragana sub legends, or I like just the Japanese sub legends. They look really cool. But man, I just wish it wasn't so expensive. I thought about going in on the B stock, but my problem with that is, and let me know what your opinions on this are for anyone, but if you have a white on black or a black on white set, I feel like your set has to be clean. Because the thing is, it's just black and white. it's simple. It's like there's not a lot to distract from the legending. So if your legending is like borked, it's just like screwed up. There's not a whole lot left going for it. I will go head to my bed. Got class later. All right, sounds good. Thanks for dropping by, Fluffy Cute. I appreciate you for joining in on the stream, and I hope we'll see you again soon. Sorry, I'm just rambling around and messing with like keycaps the whole time, but yeah, I'm just taking a chill day. I want to kind of get my brain like calmed after work. Going on a trip tomorrow, going to Tahoe. So anyway, thank you so much for dropping by. I hope you have a good night, or I guess you got class later. I hope you get to chill. I'm getting kind of hungry. I feel okay. This is probably really bad. I feel like I'm developing like a fast food addiction. Actually, I don't know why I said developing. I feel like I already have one. It's like I'm always craving like McDonald's or In-N-Out or something, and it's terrible. Or Jack in the Box. I don't know about you guys, but I eat way more munchie meals than I definitely should be. And it's terrible because it's always, munchie meals, they like their pricing is best at night, like late at night. And I'm like, should I really be eating 2,000 calories worth of food at like 9 p.m.? No, definitely not. But sometimes, I just get hungry. And it's late. And I need some garbage in my body. Bad though. Don't do that. Don't be eating trash that late at night. I definitely should not be. My cholesterol is a little high. I feel hella old saying that, but my cholesterol is hella high. How do you see like who is in the stream right now? I wish I could see like which users are actually like here. I'm a complete scrub to Twitch. I just get by with the bare minimum because I just don't know how to use the software. I'm such a boomer. I'm like avoiding technology at all costs. I'm not really a boomer. I'm like 27, which makes me feel old saying that out loud. But I'm still young, guys. I'm still young. I'm not old. Still feel like I look like a child though. Not really. But I do have a youngish face. All my friends that are like 20 something, 25, 20, 23, they're always like, dang, I thought you were my age. And I was like, no, I'm sorry, dude. I'm a fogey, dude. I'm an old fogey. Sorry to disappoint. All right. Let's get out of here. Whoop. Yeah, I'm scared of cardboard. Not gonna lie. Not like fear, but every time I mess with cardboard, man, I get a paper cut. And cardboard is like really easy to get a paper cut with. I just have this sitting around for people to look at. It's just a decoration at this point. All right, let's get this. Let's get these Noels on here. This is gonna be really pretty. Can't even use this space. I hate. Okay, here's my first gripe about this Keycap set. They don't have enough room for everything. It's like there's stuff just stacked on top of other things. I mean, I appreciate the Keycap puller. It's a very nice Keycap puller, actually. But yes, I hate that everything is just sitting on top of each other. There's probably a need right now. There you go. I'm gonna start here. This is cute. Yeah, this one looked really good on you. Anything E white, really. What do you say you put this on? You put this on, let's see here. Noel, a Mr. Suit. Yeah, dude, I feel like, man, on a Mr. Suit, anything pink or like sky blue, this looks really good on. Damn, this sounds good too already. I'm hyped, man. All these Keycaps that's coming out have been really good, and all these partnerships with like original designers for really popular Keycap sets. That's the move. Canon Keys, you're making moves. Novel Keys, making moves. Just moves being made. To supply and fight clone manufacturers. Screw those guys, you know? If you have clones, you know, I'm not judging you. It's fine, you know? Like, not everyone knows about it. Not everyone can afford all of this, but manufacturers are just buttholes for doing that. You know what? Okay, here's what I'm going to say too. So, these are the Techno Violets, right? If you like Zaku's, then, you know, that Zaku's are great. But if you like Zaku's, you got to try the Techno Violets. They're a lighter version of the Zaku's, but I like them 10 times more. They're like just so comfortable. Let's see here. Is there a different color for this? I'll do white. It's fine. Wow, this is a beautiful set. But yeah, Techno Violets are some of my favorite switches. I have a friend who, like, we were just joking with each other, like memeing the whole time. Like, oh man, you gonna go in on those Techno Violets? I'll go in on those Techno Violets with you. Eventually we did it, and like we're both just like, fuck, that was the best decision we ever made. They're just such good all-around switches. So if you're contemplating getting another set of switches, I recommend the Techno Violets. Do it. You won't regret it. I wish I had a step caps keyboard. I mean, I do, but again, I gotta wait for the Space 80s. I gotta wait for a million. It's frustrating. I like. Okay, I don't know if any of you guys out there are also content creators or something like that, but I've been enjoying streaming much more than like making videos. I do make videos, by the way. If any of you guys are interested in my YouTube channel, I'm just called Long Squared. Let me see if I can. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, let me see if I can pull it up for you guys. Shameless plug. You know what? No keyboard plugged in. It's okay. Ooh, the Autumn Rain switches. Those are hype. $149. I'm so close. I'm so close to reaching 150 subs. Anyway, here is a link to my YouTube if you guys are interested in following that. But I have been enjoying streaming a lot more. It's just chill. I don't know. Yeah, I feel like it's allowing me to kind of be more natural. I don't like scripts. I used to do theater. I used to do acting and stuff like that. And I don't know, man. I feel like I'm scarred. I'm scarred from just all that, and I just don't want to deal with it anymore. I'm big dumb. My brain just can't handle dealing and memorizing with all that BS, you know? Yeah. Flip space, because, you know, I'm a cultured individual, but, you know, no judgment if you like normal space. Oh, yeah. Let's do... Not gonna use these. Not gonna use these. Gonna use these. Oh god, this is worse than the GMK set. Just getting tossed around. But this is cute. Look at that. Man, I just wish it wasn't so jacked up. Noel. Here's another thing I like about these sets that have like support for like all these layout. I mean, like that. Okay, sorry, I'm fumbling my words. I like that these sets have so much support. These like PBT versions of sorry, my voice is oh, what was that? Oh, I just ordered one of these little wanted Noel for the longest time. Yeah, it looks good, right? You like it? Let's see, pink. Yeah, let's do pink. Why not? Since I don't have the space bars for accents, I'll change it later if I want to. Steps cap. Wish I could use that, but alas, I cannot. Okay, let's do. What do I want on the top left? Little Band-Aid X. I don't know the anime this is from. I'll be honest. I don't know if you do, Fifi. I don't know the anime this is from. I tried to look it up. I'll probably watch it at some point, but just right now, I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm a scrub. I'm a wannabe. Roar. Oh my god! You know I gotta use this. Oh man, but it's not pink. That's disappointing. I'm sorry, I gotta have the pink enter. It's gotta be pink. So not that, but for this, I will be doing. I think this leaf is cute. I kind of like that. Then I'll do Noel. Want to know? Yeah. I don't know that anime. Yeah, I kind of want to check it out. Seems good. I guess. I don't know. I don't know anything about it. Okay, this is not right. Come on, I need page up. I hate that I still am not able to just tell the what is it, profile is just by looking at it. It's kind of frustrating. Yeah, this is not right. Yeah. Noel. This will go. This is the same profile, right? Yeah, right here. That looks nice. That's pretty cute. Yeah, I'm digging that. But I can't figure out. Oh, a pink roar. I have to do it. There is. I'm just too lazy to pull it up. I guess I should just do it. That's hype. That's hype as fuck. Let's see here. All right, page up. Here's one that I need. Then I need a page down that's of the same profile. Not the same profile. One down. Here it is. This is not it. No, this is not it. Aha, this one. Perfect. Yes, yes. There it is. There it is. Let's see. Get this stuff. Damn. Damn. Sheesh. All right. That looks pretty freaking great. I'm loving it. This is really, really good looking set. Jeez. Sorry, it's a little bright. Let me just angle that away. Yeah. I'm hyped. Ooh. I mean, the board already sounded pretty good, but having that with these keycaps, amazing sound. Let's see here. Let's put this back here. Let's see, what do I want to do? I feel like I don't want this much pink. I just want a little bit of pink. I'll make these blue. No, I'll leave these pink. I don't know. What do you think, Fifi? This with the blues on the bottom or the pink? Blue def. Okay. Okay, also what about the arrows? Blue or pink? Just because I'm kind of thinking just pink on escape and enter key. That seems like the color profile to do. Blue also for these. Yeah, I think blue. Okay. But still pink for these two, right? Thank you for helping me make decisions, for making the tough calls. Okay, I need to figure out, is that gonna fit? Oh my god, that is again another frustrating thing about this set. It's just the way these things fit in here are like just so annoying. But anyway, let's get this over here, and let's have this. Can't wait to put this in the. Yeah, I think this on the Thera. I mean, not the Thera, the Space 80. When I decide to build that, when I get around to it eventually, it'll look really good. It doesn't really fit the theme, but you know, I think it's gonna be really good. Well, it just gotta look right. I think I learned from Vindictus, because dyeing armor sets to make them look cool experience, I guess. Oh, is that a game? I'm sorry. I'm not super cultured on games nowadays. Yeah, I think that looks nice. Yeah, what I've found too is like usually when you have like sets like this, I think accents look best when you don't use too many of them. Obviously, I mean they're accents, so enter key, escape key, or just one or the other usually looks the best. I don't usually like to have spacebar the same color as the accent keys. That's usually not my preference. I don't know about you guys though, but yeah, that's me. This is a good, man, I kind of want to try this. I wonder if this one's better. Oh, well, whatever. They're all the same. You just a slight accent. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. I'm gonna clean this up a bit, and then we can go ahead and do a quick typing test for this. At least now, these will all fit in the box properly. Okay, here we go. Oh boy, oh boy. Perfect. There you go. Come on. Come on. Go under the plastic. Oh yeah, yeah. The box is really pretty. Look at that, Noel, by I don't know how to pronounce that. Aguilar. What the heck is going on with this flap, man? Come on. It's not as tight as before. You can just go in. I guess just how they sit in there. They don't want to. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. NicePBT Noel. Boom. Let's move that to the side. Give you a good old. Boom. Oh. Oh, hey, Thurman Goat. Welcome. And thank you for the follow. I watched your, sorry, I'm a little like starstruck or something like that. But I read your reviews when I first started getting into the hobby for like Switches and stuff. It's kind of a big reason why I got KTT strawberries. When I started off as, you know, for my first board, I got the Buck and Echo, and man, I loved it. So I appreciate your cultured reviews, amazing content, amazing stuff, super thorough. Anyone here who has not, you know, who likes Switches and are very curious, check out Thurman Goat. He's they're pretty great, pretty thorough. Are alpacas still like, I think that's your highest rated Switch right now. Are they still like up there? I think they are. Anyway, here's this. I'm gonna turn off the music. As of right now, I believe so. Yeah. Okay. I still need to try to get a set of those. Okay, let's do this. press it all the way. There we go. Yeah, I really like the Techno Violets. They're pretty up there. Pretty up there for me. I like them a lot. Oh, sorry guys. My pup likes to pick fights with anyone that walks by. Anyway, yeah, this is the board. That's pretty much all I have going on today. I was thinking of maybe putting, I don't know, the taros on like the Thera, but I think I'm kind of at my limits right now. I think I'm gonna take a break. But hey, I really appreciate all of you coming in. Thank you, Fifi. Thank you. Was it Fluffy Cute? If you're still here, for dropping by and hanging out for so long. Theremin Goat, I really appreciate you dropping by. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. I've just always guessed it was that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna raid Alex Zotos with what humble amount of viewers are on here right now. If you guys are okay with that, he's playing some Elden Ring, which I'm also probably gonna watch along with. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Peace out. Stay squared.